Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about pipes and cistern related problems. This concept is very important for competitive exams like RRB, banking exam and teacher recruitment exams. So here I have taken simple example to understand the concept. See here in this example, a water tank has two inlets. First inlet pipe will fill the tank in 10 hours and second inlet pipe will fill the tank in 15 hours. If both inlet pipes are open, then how long they will take to fill the tank? So this is the question. So for this tank there are two inlet pipes. So time taken to fill both inlet pipes are 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. Here we supposed to calculate total time required to fill the tank. So for this I have a shortcut method. See, I have taken capacity of a tank is assumed to be taken as a LCM of 10 and 15. So you know what is 10 and 15. Here 10 is time taken to fill the tank from first inlet pipe and 15 is time taken to fill the tank by second inlet pipe. So here LCM of 10 and 15 here I have written. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So here capacity of a tank is equals to 30 units. So now we supposed to calculate the rate of filling of water to the tank from first inlet pipe. So that is nothing but here first inlet pipe will take 3 units per hour to fill the tank. So how I got this value is here take 30 units as a capacity of a tank and 10 is a time taken to fill the first inlet time taken to fill the tank from first inlet pipe. So if we divide this capacity of a tank by time, we will be getting 3. So that gives the rate of filling of water tank from first inlet pipe. So here similarly I have taken this also. Second inlet pipe will take 2 units per hour to fill the tank. So here 30 is capacity of a tank and 15 is time taken to fill the tank by second inlet pipe. So here if both inlet pipes are open, they will fill 5 units per hour. So here how I got this value is nothing but here just I added these two values, 3 plus 2 gives 5. So therefore the rate of filling of water tank if both inlet pipes are open is 5 units per hour. So actually we required is we have to calculate time required to fill the tank if both inlet pipes are open. So here I have calculated time taken to fill 30 units of water tank is 30 divided by 5. So 5 is nothing but just only we have calculated rate of filling of water tank if both inlet pipes are open. So just if we simplify this, 30 divided by 5 gives 6. So that is nothing but time required. So that is 6 hours are required to fill the tank if both inlet pipes are open. So I hope you understood this problem. So let us see another one example similar to this. A little bit change is there. So here in example 2, a water tank has two inlet pipes and one outlet pipes. First and second inlet pipes will fill the tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively. The third outlet pipe will empty the tank in 20 hours. If all three pipes are open, then how long they will take to fill the tank? So I hope you understood the problem. So for this water tank there are three pipes, two inlet pipes and one outlet pipes. So their respective times are given here to fill the tank, 10 hours, 12 hours and here 20 hours are required to empty the tank from third outlet pipe. So this is the data given in the problem itself. We supposed to calculate the time required to fill the tank if all three pipes are open. That is required here. So again I am following the same method as you have seen in the previous example. See, capacity of a tank is equals to LCM of 10, 12 and 20. So I have taken LCM here inside. See here, LCM of 10, 12, 20 is here 60. So therefore capacity of a tank is equals to 60 units. So now first inlet pipe will take 6 units per hour to fill the tank. It is nothing but the rate of filling of water tank by first inlet pipe. So here 60 divided by 10. 60 is the capacity of a tank and 10 is the time taken to fill the tank from first inlet pipe. So this gives 6. Similarly, second inlet pipe will take 5 minutes per hour to fill the tank. So therefore here also I calculated in same method. See here 60 divided by 12. So 60 divided by 12 is nothing but the time required to fill the tank by second inlet pipe. So here 60 by 12 is 5. So in the same way third outlet pipe will take 3 units per hour to empty the water tank. See here again 60 divided by 20 gives 3. So 20 is nothing but what? Time taken to empty the tank from third outlet pipe. So here if all pipes are open they will fill 8 units per hour. So this is the rate of filling of water tank if all 3 pipes are open at a time. So here that is nothing but how you got this 8 units per hour is as follows. Say 6 plus 5 minus 3. So see here 6 plus 5 minus 3. Why I have taken negative sign here? Because the in outlet pipe water is removed from the tank. So we have to take negative sign. So therefore it is if you simplify this you will be getting 8 units per hour. So this 8 units per hour is the rate of filling of water tank if all 3 pipes are open. So therefore actually here required is time required to fill the tank if all 3 pipes are open. So how to get the answer is just a simple way. Therefore time taken to fill 60 units of water tank is 60 divided by 8. So 8 is nothing but rate, just you have calculated here. So 60 is nothing but capacity of a tank. So 60 divided by 8 gives 7.5 hours. It means 7.5 hours are required to fill the tank. So I hope you understood both examples. Thank you for watching video.